Well, friends, it's December 3rd, and this is that carrot patch that I have been growing since I think the end of March is when I planted the first ones. So today I decided I'm going to go ahead and pull some of these up. I got some decent sized carrots for the first time ever. I was so excited. These are supposed to be small carrots, but some of them were still a little tiny. I went through and just picked the biggest ones that I could see. As you can see, those were really tiny. But I went through and I did leave some in the end. And this was kind of impromptu. It was misty, rainy outside. That's why I do not have my tripod out there. Sorry about the craziness in the footage. But I did want to share with you just very quick, like what I got for carrots this year. I don't know which variety is which because I was pulling them quick. And I am just excited to actually have grown carrots. I am going to do it different. I'm not going to give the garden this big square of carrots to grow. I just think that it just took up too much space for the amount of food that I got. You'll see in the end, I got almost 2 pounds worth of carrots, which is good, but these really took way too long to grow. So over the winter, I'm going to do some research and figure out what step I missed. That one was really fat. But I'm going to figure out what step I missed in getting my carrots to grow a little more quickly. I'm not going to put too much into it because we really did have a weird growing season this year. The weather was really hot, then it got cold, and then it got hot. Just a few days ago, we had several inches of snow that has all melted off, and now it's raining. So that's just what I'm going to call Michigan weather. So we'll quickly harvest the rest of these, and I will show you at the end what we ended up actually getting. I did leave a bunch out there, which I think I show in this video as well, and I just put a clear tote over them. I don't actually think they'll grow. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. If nothing else, they'll just compost in the soil. And here I'm just continuing to pull up a few of the last ones that are there. And then I go ahead and I grab my little bucket and just throw them in there. But there's the pile that I did harvest. And there's that container that I threw over the ones that were still hanging out. So I'm just going to put them in here and I'm going to take them in the house and get them cleaned up. I did go ahead and rinse these off really good because we are going to eat them just in the next couple days. And I'm taking off the greens from the top so that they stay crunchy longer if you take these greens off, I have found. So I'm going to cut those all off and then get those composted and then store the carrots in the fridge, and we'll just munch on them over the next few days. Well, it is 1 pound, 6.8 ounces of carrots. Thank you, friends, for joining me. This truly is the last thing to come out of the garden. It is officially done for the 2023 season. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time. Just showing you a Sharpie for size reasons. That one is the fat carrot. Have an amazing day and enjoy the rest of your 2023.